Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for order amount using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on a Add a New Condition button. Select Cart Total. Put 500 in the blank area of the Hide if less than block. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. If you don't see your desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. If you enter a value in the Hide if less than fields, the customer must meet this minimum order amount to see the selected shipping methods at checkout. Similarly, if you enter a value in the Hide if more than fields, the selected shipping methods will be hidden at checkout if your customers exceed these maximum order limits. When you are done with adding the correct value to these fields, you can scroll to the bottom and click on the Save button. Now go to the Checkout page. Here we see that all shipping methods are visible because the total order amount is over $500. Now, remove some products to make the order amount below $500 and check it. As expected, standard and express delivery shipping methods are gone now. That's it. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!